Today we will start question number 8 of exercise 8.1. Here the question number 8 is ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square and diagonal BD bisect B as well as angle D. Now first we write given ABCD is a rectangle, therefore AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Also diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Now in prove, we have to prove first point is ABCD is a square and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Now in proof, here ABCD is a rectangle, diagonal AC bisect angle C and angle A. Now we know that because ABCD is a rectangle, therefore angle DAB equals to angle DCB equals to 90 degree each. DAB and DCB is 90 degree each. Now complete angles are equal, therefore half of angle DAB equals to half of angle DCB. Therefore angle DAC equals to angle DCA. DAB half of DAB is DAC and DCB half of angle DCB is DCA. Now these two angles are equal, therefore these two sides are also equal, implies AD equals to DC because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Now because AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC, this is given, therefore AB equals to CD equals to AD equals to BC. Now all the four sides are equal, therefore ABCD is a square. Now in part second, we have to prove that diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Now in ABCD, BC equals to CD. BC and CD are equal, therefore these two angles are equal. Let this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2 because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now let this is angle 3. Angle 1 equals to angle 3 by alternate interior angles, implies angle 2 equals to angle 3. Hence let this is equation first, this is equation second. From equation first and second. Hence, diagonal BD bisects angle B. Now again AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD. Let this is angle 4. Therefore, angle 3 equals to angle 4 because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now angle 3 equals to angle 1. Also angle 3 equals to angle 1 by alternate interior angles. Let this is equation 3rd and this is equation 4th. Hence angle 1 equals to angle 4 from equation 3rd and 4th. Angle 1 equals to angle 4, hence diagonal BD bisects angle D. Hence diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Hence proved. Now in question number 9, in parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equals to BQ, and we have to prove these 5 points. Now given in parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equals to BQ. Now in prove, we have to prove 5 points. Here first is triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. In second point, AP equals to CQ. In third point, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. In fourth point, AQ equals to CP. In fifth point, APCQ is a parallelogram. Now we have to given DP equals to BQ. In proof, first part, in triangle APD and triangle CQB, APD and CQB, DP equals to BQ given AD equals to BC, because ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are equal, and let this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 by alternate interior angles. Hence triangle congruent by side angle side. Therefore triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by side angle side. Now in second part, because these two triangles are congruent, therefore AP equals to CQ. AP equals to CQ by CP CT. because triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. Now in third part, in triangle AQB and triangle CPD, AQB and CPD, again BQ equals to DP, AB equals to CD, this is given, AB equals to CD because ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Angle 3 equals to angle 4 by alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD by side angle side. Now in fourth part, AQ equals to CP. Therefore, AQ equals to CP by CPCT because triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. Now in the last part, APCQ is a parallelogram. Now from second and fourth part, AP equals to CQ, AQ equals to CP. Opposite sides are equal. Hence, from part second and fourth, AP equals to CQ and AQ equals to CP. Therefore, APCQ is a parallelogram. Hence, proved.